sleep I kill me in about. My son go sleep. No, come tomorrow I'm Monday and a work time. Tomorrow I'm Monday and it's work time. I wrap up everything from today. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm Monday. I'm gonna come Monday to do my work. I have to have to talk about these things. I wrap up everything now. Tidy it up and tangle it up. From today. That's tomorrow I work. Can't come tomorrow now. So come hold store tomorrow again. But the same thing over and over and over and over and over. Me I wrap up and tie up from now. On the top. I'm now, so on the top. Me now come tomorrow. I went tomorrow come, me have my blood clot good work for come do. Me so long I talk about stinking people. Me I wrap up and tie up from now. Tonight, everything I done tonight. Power tap. Me attack from now, so tomorrow, when I come on my work, I have the CD with again, power tap. Me attack from now, tomorrow I come on work, I come and have time to do that. I don't cook your try to get my attack from now. Tomorrow I come on work, I have time to do all of this, I'm work, I come. Tomorrow morning, when I give gallery Monday, I have time to come by life, come sit long and then yeah. I wrap up everything from tonight. Power tap. Me not ready for sleep yet. I am a ample time. Tomorrow when I'm at work, I have time to come back up on this. I talk from tonight. Power tap strat. You know when me not really, you know when sometimes when we are on the FYP and some of the girls them over here want to enter the blood clot chat. You want some of them want to enter the chat and them want to get themselves involved, them call. When they want to enter the chat and they want to get themselves involved, them start mix up Akeem name. I want to ask you, when you can't argue when you don't call Akeem name. You know say if you know that argue with Rosealee and I call Akeem name, me I know that argue every day, me that go no one. But you not stop calling him, so I'm going to go no one, because I don't want my attention so bad. I don't want my attention so bad. He said, if you not come argue with me and don't call him name, then me know that argue every day. Because you can't argue with me. I know what exactly I'm telling you for burning. Stick up in. Everybody have them relationship. Everybody have them. Move. Everybody have them relationship. And everybody have them family crisis. I don't left all the way from one I left from. You know make bed in my relationship. You know sleep night, you know eat night, you know be night, you know relax night. You know invest night. I wanna could come on to my crisis relationship with my family. I wanna take it over like a phone family. I don't know everything. I don't know everything from the tea. I don't know where me I feel. I don't know where me I feel. I don't know what them do me. I don't know where me I feel. I don't know what them do me. I know I'm not like with some done said girl over here. I'm not like with some like done said girl, kind of big and fool and dunce. No blood clot. You know dunce and fool. I'm not really like talk to dunce. So me I clear uno up right now. Make it make sense. For the screener card page them, well like screener card, make it make sense. Why would I make it make sense? I must sit in my room because I don't want to make no mistake. Make it make sense. Me and Jake live at house. I where Aki meet me. Aki meet me live at house with Jakes. Then if me the one Jakes, I love Jakes so much. How comes Akim could have taken me out on date while living with Jakes? Me attack for the dunce girl them. If me the one Jakes, how comes Akim could have come take me up on date when me live with my man? That mean me don't want him. For the dunce girl them. You see, for the dunce girl them, a long time you know Jakes a fuck Alia. For the dunce girl, I'm not just yesterday and last night today. So I don't know what I am crashing out for. But just a talk. Because my sister pissed me off. And I saw me talk loud when me get pissed off. But I calm it down a notch. I could understand because I'm very dunce. And I realize that I can't talk loud too. Because I'm a dunce, I take on a baby step by step for the dunce girl and come know now watch. For the dunce word them. Like me say, I know now what. So I'm gonna take it baby step by step. I go down that baby step by step for the dunce girl and baby step by step. I go along that baby step by step for the dunce word them like myself, yeah. Mama calm down. Me and Jakes live at house. Akim carry me out pan date. Many occasion. And me and Jakes live at house. The first time me meet Akim, Jakes never know. So that means that the first time me meet Akim, I could have fuck him and Jakes no know. I saw me wicked and devilish. I meet Akim 3 times before me even for Uno even know. I meet him 3 times before TikTok even know, Uno even know. So I could have fuck him and nobody knows. This is for the dunce girl them. I know Jakes are all a long time. Long time. That's why I use the opportunity. Date Akim and fall in love with him. Because the door did already close with Jakes. Jakes was a statue standing in my house and doing my chores while I work. That was Jakes. He said me the one Jakes, me would have never ever kiss a man in public if me the one Jakes. Remember when me Akim kissing a Mecca. Me they live a house with Jakes. The first date when me and Akim go on, me they live a house with Jakes. So if me the one Jakes, I wouldn't go to a date with Akim. But I keep my man come on my man. Don't it? Make it make sense. Because when I like chat, when I have fix on a leakage and I need to know all. When I like chat. When I have button the scent where I come down because I like chat. When I have brush on the teeth and be because I like chat. Make it make sense for a moment, no? I don't want to get seminar request. Make it make sense for one moment. If me the one Jakes, Akim couldn't tell me nothing about dating or nothing. I'm going to tell Akim straight from the jump, I have my man. Don't it? It not going to work out. The first time Jakes excited himself by live was a Sunday night. I never get the Sunday night. And when I done play live, Akim come in my inbox and say, I am sorry for how your nigga is reacting. I'm very sorry. I'm just gonna watch him, man. Him just I saw him still, but I watch the face. And you me I work with. So if me the one GX, When Akim come in the inbox and tell me that, me that black Akim and stick with Jakes. I never want Jakes. A long time Jakes and Ali are there. And people attack and people tell me I know. Long time. Say me never crash out then. Me not think me ever crash out now. Cause a long time them there. Long time them being a hide and fuck. Long time. I'm here and people tell me them not can. I'm saying I'm a so Akim come now. Because when Jakes a fuck Ali and I hide her, me I got date Akim publicly. Walk with him hand in hand publicly. Kiss him publicly. And mash up a boy headspace. So over headspace mash up. Because make it make sense. You are fuck a girl and I fuck either girl where you are fuck for your baby mother. And when your baby mother date a boy, she date him publicly. Kiss him publicly. Do the things them publicly. So who I crash out? Damn me ask you. For the don't scare them. For the don't scare them. Stick up in. Him best to ring him phone. Yeah, Ali there, I'll know him can't answer. The boy still not own you. And when the evidence is on TikTok when you name a hug up. You them got dinner, the boy still not own you. My man when I want me have to own me. My man when I say no want me have to own me. Me on a two different kekela fish and a different bad game we are play. Every time me in an argument with my family them, want to stop call Akim name now please. I my family them argue. Please. We have some score we need for settle. Me run fan it and it fine my back. We have to settle it. For the don't scale them. For the don't or them like for the don't or them over here like myself. When I say Akim no want me, him brother fuck me and piss by me. So how comes him leave me now? Remember son so me and him not there? So how comes him and leave me now? Make it make sense. Because you know dunce girl, because a dunce girl sell pussy, you know. See girl we have sense or look work. Because you can use a brain more and use a pussy let's say you choke back. Remember a pussy on the cell. When you say him don't want me, and brother fuck me and piss by me. So how comes him want to leave me? Our relationship fake. Make it make sense. That makes sense? No, that makes sense. I don't want me, so we are left. I wanna there. And brother fuck me and piss by me. Make it make sense. When you so dunce, when you not analyze, when you say, when you say it. When you want to enter the chat, I not enter the chat with you know. I learn on the rules when I enter on the chat. This is the day when you argue with me, I want to call my clean man name, I go up on a screen and rub it out. We take terms and rub out to one another. How we go for pocketbook, we go for clothes, we go for boat, and we go for account. Tell me on the red for challenge, because I always want to be seen by Rosealee. So when I put my man aside, I make me on to argue bitch to bitch. We go pocketbook for pocketbook, bed for bed, clothes to clothes, slippers to slippers, boot to boot, and account to account. But I have to put my man aside. Yeah. Because what you not getting on and brain in the corner so done, because my pussy on the cell. It's the same I come war for muscle, as some would cheer up on for Akim. Him just not allow me to do it. I well want cheer on up for Akim the blood clot. I say I want cheer on up in this life, and I just want cheer on up for him. He does not allow me to it. But sometimes when I talk some things, when I make my blood boil, I just want cheer on up for the blood clot, boy, you see. But that's what I rip on you. I'm saying I really like my chuck pound. Him just not allow me to. He must have always be calm. I the same way I war for Musu, I the same way I war for Akeem, I the same way I war for Shanshan and Barbar. I want to tear on up with all my teeth. He just not allow me to, so don't get him involved. It's the day when I can't stop calling Akeem, I want to go. I'm black on me and black on you. The path scream on you. How do the showdown? Can't like when Rosealee so now. I don't like when Rosealee so now. How can Rosealee crash out over a boy but she did this publicly? God dig up the old screen card. God dig up the old screen card. And how can Rosealee crash out over a boy but she did this publicly? Me I go on date with Akeem and Jakes attire and my shoes lace. Me not get that. Me I go on date with Akeem and Jakes attire my shoes lace. I saw me have boy. And me left Jakes. And the Jakes left me. It's me left him. It's me left him, and him left me. Him want to tell him, you know what him do? Him want to so type in the comment section, kind of like rub me and use a narrative there and spin it. Who have sense of the truth? It's me left, it's not Jakes left me. Cause me the one Jakes would I never go on date with Akeem. Me never want Jakes, that's why I invite Akeem in my life. And take him. I know we're fully committed. So all whatever, oh, she and our man left. Where we are left go? When I left go nowhere, we are two peas in a pot. Yeah. Remember when the boy come around, we can get the boy a knife to make him smile all when him in sorrow and pain. But have them not worried about me. Make it make sense. Because I wrap up until tomorrow I work. I not really beg nothing. Make it make sense. If me the one blood clot, Jakes, I date Akeem. I still deal with Jakes, I still there Seaview. I still in the purple house, so I can't move around and sit chat and laugh. Me show Jakes a long time ago, so Akeem is straight. And he knows that. Him not have no choice. No, more than to stick to a sell pussy girl. Me not have no problem with that. Me not have no problem with that. You saw me there with a man, I'm loyal. So no look word, you can't tell a girl for frighten a girl for a girl fuck you. That don't mean that. I honor that. I'm loyal to every man. So I'm loyal to my friend, so I'm loyal to man. So you can't come with no words for me left my man. You never want blood clot, Jakes. Akeem me the one. At first, when I say Akeem, I don't even know man, I think about it. Till I say what type of person I get for like him, till I fall in love. Akeem, I never want Jakes. I never want Jakes. Remember one night Akeem come from party. I'm ringing phone 5 o'clock. I lie down in bed with Jakes. I read Akeem phone 5 o'clock. I chat to Akeem. I just you just saw them here call man. I saw my brawling and brazen. Ask Akeem. Akeem said no. Rose me later. I hang up. A long time I know about all of them and Marsha them. I'm a mother. And some other set of people. I'm just never care because I have my plans. Never care because I have my good clean plans. Yeah. I never care because I have my good clean plans. We don't worry about the rest of things. When in a relationship, and in my family business. When my sister come here say earlier and come confirm said she and Jakes are fucking that enough to talk about. When my man left me go, I want to ask you. Because since we don't have no relationship and I'm married to a phone relationship sick and bad and pathetic. We don't worry about my man left me go. Eh? You said Jake shame. Me attack it from today because tomorrow I'm a good work and I not do this. Mama tell you why Jake shame. Because Jake's left fam, a girl we are give him to a girl we must forgive. You have to shame. Because a girl we are give, a girl we are give, a girl we are give for suck her pussy. You left from a girl we are give, I have a suck her pussy to a girl we not give and you still have a suck her pussy. Make it make sense. You left from a girl with a gear. I am motor hole. To a girl where you not get nothing from. You have to get things and say your motor hole. Jake shame. So Jake's always gonna look at one up. That's what Jake's they don't say pay one up, but Jake's look at him can't get none. Pay one up. Right now, Jake's walk and search your old car for buy. If you look one up. And I'm not trying to put him to open him because yellow so gone about our business. Pay one up. When you send for a bad girl, Jakes, girl have to beat me. That's a bad girl. Someone else when Lamasha attack she dance. Because when you send for a bad girl, if you send a girl who can beat me, so she's a bad girl. So the girl what Jakes got take for make me Rosealee jealous. And the girl where own her own car, own her own house, and an account for that pay money. You can't take some look muckers girl will sell pussy like that and expect me to get jealous. All you can walk in at this. And it broke. My fingernail broke. She can't walk in and broke fingernail. And my fingernail broke. She can't walk in and nothing. It's a Akeem. When me take one Jakes, Jakes can't walk in and Akeem shoot out when Jakes chat over here. Because Akeem never beg me nothing yet. But Jakes about when me mine. I'm for buy it out down here. I look out round here. Any given time. Me used to that whole heap of time. So when the world wanna attack about my clean man, my well smell good man, my well dressed man, my nice man never come twice. And I care when I say about him on social media, if him call on the phone and tell him no, you suck off all him big toe, him is that guy. Because him clean all nine blood. And some of blood over here not clean, a blood clot. Some of blood over here don't clean. The boy clean tall and blood clean. Everything about him clean. I say when I take a bad boy live somewhere. A boy drive. And a boy have a pocketbook, which is strange. You can't take a broke girl who sell pussy where you have for mine and say you can take a bad girl for me. Level up, match up. I see one screener card page post. This is why Rosealee is crashing out. When them show Alia in the red all-in-one, she look a bit and slim and neat and stink. Her pH balance over the gully and fuck themselves. Look on her foot back. Her foot dirty. Dirt mixed with dirt. Cause Jake's ears dirty, Jake's ears dirty, Jake's mouth dirty. Her pH stinking bumping at Jake's face. So dirt mixed with dirt. Oh, me a crash out. A man have no problem and money are my problem. You know have man disease and me have money disease. The boy now leave me go nowhere, come in now leave the boy go nowhere. And for the rotten pussy girl I'm over here about you know the Rosealee and Akim in a competition, me and the boy in a no blood clot competition. Come and tell them the leader me follow. So if my baby they are number one, I'm a grease right side, I'm good. Me I'm not in a money tormentation. Me I'm not hungry for money. Me show himself I'm start, me want to see you win, babe, straight. Yeah. Me in a competition. You may not compete and compare with my man. My man lead and me follow. I saw you go. If you go look at man. My man in a competition. My man lead and him follow. My man lead and me follow. Me not a competition. My man in a no competition or no ranking. Me not craving for money. Can I see my clean man? Sometimes when I come here and him spin, I say no, sorry, I go. Say, you know the thing go already. Him clean and smell great. Jakes have them the fragrance. Jakes 30. Look at my man ears. Look in my man ears. A 50 tongue can go and I go cut all of the wax them. I saw my man clean. To all my man clean, I can't chew all milk for anybody and drink it. It's a wrong and me I catch it. I saw my man clean. I left a dirty man and take a clean man with things. So who a clock tease boy? I like you walking on my shoes. I like you coming on my lane. My BMW pack out the door. I have my key. My BMW key. My house key. I like you walking on my shoes. My friend on me a fight for me just draw 100,000 give for go suck out our bar. I draw 100,000 go give me draw 100,000 sorry. Me just draw 100,000 go give my bestie for suck out our bar. Cause that girl a good girl and me a fight for her. She me a fight for. Alia draw 100,000 now go get Lama so buy back a bedroom set. I dare you. You know no league coming out juggle balls. Me I talk about it today cause tomorrow work. When I send for your bad girl, she have things of your baby mother. Me can live in a this niceness, 2-door fridge, 2 TV in the house, 2 bed, 4-6 burner stove, nice kitchen, nice broad settee. Puppy should come span the side. All you have that to beat me for sending for your bad girl. Me send for your bad boy for Jakes. Because Akeem drive. Him live somewhere. Him have him look a pocket change. And him clean to every step. We don't have an argument with them. We don't have an argument with them. We don't have an argument with them. I mean clean. What I mean clean, the true definition of every step. Every step. Every blood clot step. What I mean clean, that's the true difference. Every step. I had post one of them picture with that clean dirty man. Clean. Every step. Every step. Watch out. I'm sure you're clean to every step. Every step. Every step. Every blood clot step. Move. Me, Cynthia Balaboa, clean every step. And no matter what you say about him on social media, I know enough of no one gaggling balls. Only say for me, Rosealee, if I walk, I can't walk because the boy too clean. The boy too nice. The boy too well sophisticated. They're crazy. Me left a dirty man. Me left a dirty man. When him ears full of 101 Dalmatian, when I take a clean boy. Yeah. Wait. Tomorrow a big day. This stink. This stink. Them here stink. Them here stink. I go squeeze out them here. Them here stink. This. So me left this. Me left them here stink. Them here stinkiness here like poop. This is called the true definition. Two definition. I want stinking oil. Them are stinking something here. I dry it up. Look at watch out. 2 years. To this. Yeah. Tell me who I win. I not left my man no time. Cause I know someone who not care what to say about that jealous or not jealous. Someone who want cocky for suck like dog. I'm boss a goggle. Me send for a bad boy, clean. Yeah. Yeah. Judge can't clean so. Judge say can't clean so. Can't clean so. Judge say can't clean so. When I ask Jesus and 25, you can't clean so. Oh, you catch that you're dirty. You're dirty with capital D. You're dirty with capital D. You left me take a dirty foot, girl. Look how Alia foot look. Look how Alia foot look. Now the blood class slippers. Alright, stick a pin. Wait, the video gone. What's your dirty? More catch and pause the video. I've got to screenshot to wait. Watch out. You can't go comb my ear. This scam at me. Then me much zoom the picture. I'm go for the picture. Me I done everything in a one day, cause tomorrow I'm a good work. Watch out. This could have mad me. This could have mad me. I could have really take my time to make a shot over this. No, me ask who no like chatting no kind of dance. This can mad me. Look here. Dirt upon her head. Look upon her, can you take a your man dirty, watch out. Watch out what this. What is? This could have mad me. Dirt. 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 Dirt, 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 dirt. Me. Oh, Rosealee, you have 300. Me have 2 paid, another page with 200 as 235k. I may have the next page so I'm with 400 make a dirty. You could have controlled myself a dirty girl like you. All I do to clean that BMW park outside. When I don't know how to drive yet. All I do to clean that my toilet bowl. Show me the comparison and show me the difference. All that dirty, bad. She dirty, bad. So, I'm because out of a dirty girl. We feel like say look, shape and size that we do no. Look, shape and size that we do no. 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 A modern time now. Every girl I buy with them I born with. So me I try to show so look, shape and size now have nothing to do with nothing. If Jake job shot tomorrow morning, all you can give him 20 nor 30 nor 40 nor 50,000. If Akim job shot a man and say, babe, me can't say come for it. That's the difference between me. That's the difference between me and Uno. Uno can't hold up on a man so. Uno man a job so, no man don't job on so. Uno can't hold up all of my man them. Me don't want a dirty this to be made. She dirty. You're mad. You're too dirty. No one argument to me over TikTok. My man a clean man statement. Runway cover. Pay paparazzi in a blood clot that my man when me take. Do that and beat I. Yeah. Whoop this. Whoop this. Who's this? Where come I want to show people number. But this say I'm here, babes. You? Yeah. And now I want to come here and talk the most and do the most. I talk the most about him. But now I left the boy because I can't get no winnings. No fun I look winnings. But now I left the boy. I now bring down the boy when I can't get no winnings. Me have family issue me I do that. I have to see with that. At the end of the day, when I babes time. When I bring phone as a Rosealee, don't know. I know say our babes come. When I be a boo time, boo get a moment. When I boot up, I well boot up. The girls and the boys them all. I don't know well invested too and I like me, you know. And subscribe to the family for watch when I boot up. I don't care. Boot up kind of man no want to know. For love, money not use. Man no want someone for love, money not use. And that kills, you know. Not every Jackie Chan movie. Remember start real star then that I'm sure. Remember real star then that I'm sure. Man no want for love like now use. That burns you know. Tickle the fancy you know. Choke on something. Move on a bad belly blood clot. Go beard. Wash out on the wall. Wash out in a pussy go cook, but just cook mutton like a stir my rice. Wash out in the whole cook some mutton. Today a Sunday. And I'm at the one draft me now left the boy. Yeah. I now left him. I now left the boy.